Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. Okay. In last class, we were discussing about the exercise 5A based on the concept of exponent. Okay. Today we will start from the question number 4. Write each of the following as a product of powers of prime number. Means here some numbers is given. We have to find their prime factorization. Then we will convert into the product of powers. Okay, to those by factor. Clear? यहाँ पे कुछ नंबर्स दिए होंगे, उसको पहले क्या करेंगे आप? फर्स्ट आप उसके प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करेंगे, फिर उन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन को पावर्स के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ओके? नाउ सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4. 2025. First is given 2025. So how we can represent product of power of prime factorization? So first we have to find the one prime factor of this given number. क्या करेंगे इसका पहले हम prime factor निकालेंगे. See, using method 2025. So first use your concept of divisibility test. So see here, last digit is 5. So it will not divide by 2. Now check the sum. 2 plus 0 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. It means it will divide by 3. So start division from 3. Just take 2 digit. 3 6 are 18. 2 carry. 21. 1 carry. 15. 3 5 are 15. Okay, now again check it, not divide by 2 since last digit is 5. So again find the sum. 6 plus 7 13 plus 5 18. It means it will divide by 3. So again we will divide it by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 1 carry, 3 5 ja 15. Again find the sum. It will become 9. So again divide by 3. 3 7 ja 21, 1 carry, 3 5 ja 15. Again divide by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Now divide by 5. I ja 25, 5 ja 5. So this is the prime factorization of this number. So write this prime factorization. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4. Then 5 into 5. Now here 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. So here it becomes 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 multiplied by itself 2 times. So 5 raised to the power 2. This is the power of prime factorization. Okay? Product of power of prime, number of prime factorization of this given number. Clear? So in this way you will solve some other problems given second, third and fourth. One more we will discuss fourth one. Okay? One more we will discuss fourth one. See here. So students, next we will discuss about the fourth part. Okay? So fourth part is given 7560. So first we have to find the prime factorization of this number. क्या करेंगे पहले इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन फाइंड करेंगे. सी हियर हाउ यू फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. 7560. अगेन सी हियर लास्ट डिजिट इज 0. सो यूज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट. सो यू विल डिवाइड दिस बाय 2. सो हियर डिवाइडेड 2. 2 3 जा 6, 1 carry 15, 2 7 जा 14, 1 carry 16, 2 8 जा 16, 2 0 जा 0. Again you can divide this by 2. Okay, so see here 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry 17, 2 8 ja 16, again 1 carry 18, 2 9 ja 18, then again 0. Then again you can divide this by 2. 2 9 ja 18, here 9, 2 4 ja 8, 1 carry, 2 5 ja 10. Now it will not divide by 2 because last digit is 5. So proceed 3. Find the sum. 9 plus 4 13 plus 5 18. It means it will divide by 3. Start from 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 1 carry, 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 0, 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 3 ja 9, 1 carry, 3 5 ja 15. Now by 5, 7 ja and then 7. Okay, clear? So write its prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, then 5, then into 7. Okay, clear? So write this in prime factorization form. Clear? Now 2 multiplied by 3 times, so you can write this 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1 and 7 raised to the power. This is the prime factorization of this number. Okay, students? So in this way you can solve the rest part. Okay, you will try to solve. Any doubt you can ask your respective teacher. Okay, students? Now we will proceed to the fifth question. Next, fifth question. So see here fifth question, students. Fifth one given what? Fifth question given. Write each of the following as a power of prime. Power of prime factor. Write each of the following as a power of prime. Each of the following as a power of prime number. Power of prime number. Prime number. Here. So here first is given already. See here first question. 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3. Here in both exponent base is same and power is different. So use this rule or concept: a to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. Okay, so apply here 5 to the power 4 plus 3. So you will get what? 5 to the power 7. 5 to the power 7. Some more question. We will discuss fourth part. 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 5. So again, here division of two exponent is given. Again, base is same, power is different. So use this rule: a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Use this concept. Okay, so apply here 2 to the power 8 minus 5. You will get 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. Okay. Some more question given here. We will discuss. 6th one like this. 11 into 11 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 4. So again see here in all three products. Okay. Here base is same, power is different. So use this rule. Same here 11 to the power 1. Here we can suppose power 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 4. So 11 to the power 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 7. 11 to the power 7. Okay. Next question of this same fifth part. We will discuss. Which one? 7th one. See here 7th question. What is given? Minus 2 to the power 3 into minus 2 to the power 4. Again, see here, base same, power different. Use this rule. Okay. So apply this rule. You will get minus 2 to the power 3 plus 4 minus 2 to the power 7. Okay. Two more question we will discuss. Next one, 9. Power of power. 2 to the power 4 to the power 2. So here you will apply this rule. Power of power. A to the power m to the power n. A to the power m cross n. Use this rule. Okay students. So see here, क्या होगा यहाँ पे? 2 to the power 4 into 2 means 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8. Okay? Clear? One more last question we will discuss. 12th one. Okay? Which question? 12th question. Of this same 5th one, 12th part. What is given? Minus 5 to the power 7 into minus first. Divide minus 5 to the power 4. So use this rule. This rule you use if two exponents having same base, different power, and they are dividing, then in the result their power will be subtracted. So minus 5 to the power 7 minus 4. So here we will get minus 5 to the power 3. Okay students. So in this way you will try to solve question number 4 and 5th. Okay, any doubt you can ask to the message to your respective teachers. Thank you students.